Piyush, if you could give us further details of the meeting that is underway and what more do you know?
Well, Susha, if we specifically talk about this meeting which is underway at the President House, this meeting is nothing but a courtesy call. Whenever Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath comes to Delhi, he makes sure that he pay a visit to President, and this is what is happening. Remember that Ramnath Kovind himself hails from Kanpur, which is a state of Yogi Adityanath, and whenever he comes to Delhi, he comes and meet him also. And if you talk about other political meetings, he has held since the time he has landed in national capital. He has held several meetings with the top leadership of Bharatiya Janata Party. He met with Union Home Minister Amit Shah, discussed about the UP politics, and then today he held meetings with Prime Minister Narendra Modi and also with BJP's national president JP Nadda. Both these two meetings went on for more than 1 hour. In the morning at around 10:30, he had reached here at Prime Minister's residence and briefed him about the kind of development work which the UP government is carrying out, and also the kind of management which the UP government has done as far as COVID situation in the state of Uttar Pradesh is concerned. On the other side, he also discussed about the politics of Uttar Pradesh with BJP's national president JP Nadda. Remember that there are some sort of reports also which is suggesting that there could be cabinet expansion also. Few names could also be added, and the biggest name which is doing round is of AK Sharma, who is very close to PM Modi, and he has been made MLC there in Uttar Pradesh, and he could be given top position in the state of Uttar Pradesh. So these things are now doing rounds. In fact, after these meetings, the larger picture which we are given to understand is that Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath is now going to lead the campaign for BJP. BJP is looking forward to do some sort of organizational restructuring in the state of Uttar Pradesh. There were some concerns about few leaders not able to reach out to the top leadership in Uttar Pradesh. That has been addressed. So it was a micromanaged meet which took place at national capital. The top leadership also discussed about the kind of concerns which few leaders had as far as the politics of Uttar Pradesh is concerned. Now, after meeting with the President, Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath is scheduled to go back to Lucknow. We'll have to wait and watch how the things are going to take turn as far as the politics of Uttar Pradesh is concerned. Remember that a few elections are also taking place. Jitin Prasad, top former Congress leader, is now in BJP. We are also expecting few other leaders also to join the ranks of BJP, because yes, it's very much important for Bharatiya Janata Party to form its government. And if we talk about the upcoming assembly elections in Uttar Pradesh, certainly BJP has got an edge. Suharsha.